Today let us start drawing in Autocad 2021. For that, first of all you have to install it and then double click on the icon of Autocad 2021. On clicking you will get start drawing window. On clicking that you will get a window as shown here. Okay, here you have a menu option, then the ribbon showing the different icons, then you have the drawing area and you have a command window. This is very important, the command window. Okay, that is the window of AutoCAD 2021. First of all, let us discuss how we set units and limits. In order to set units, type units in the command line and enter. Then you get this window. Here you can change from decimal to engineering or engineering to decimal. Engineering is for inches and in decimal you can use the centimeter, meter, etc. You can change the precision to double precision 0.00. You need not worry about the other details. You can just click OK. Now setting the limits. Again, type in this command line area limits, LIMITS, and enter. Then the lower left corner is asked. I am going to give it as 00. This is the drawing area that I am going to draw, the entire area. So the lower left is 00 and the upper right corner I am going to give it as the size of A2 size paper. Okay, so I am going to type the upper right corner as 594, 420 and enter. Okay, so the upper right corner is set. The limits are already set. Okay. Once the limits are set, we can start drawing as per the need. Now, we shall draw a rectangle of the size of the paper. So click on the rectangle icon here or type rectangle here. So I have clicked the rectangle button here, then it is asking the first corner point of the rectangle. I am going to give it as 0, 0, enter. Then the rectangle has started. I can just move in the rectangle and finalize the size. I am going to give the top right as my A2 size paper 594, enter. Then it comes here 420 and enter. Okay, so the rectangle is formed of the size of the A2 size paper. I can just roll the center mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, or else I can type Z in the command line and enter. Then I can type all A and enter. It will create the complete drawing on the screen. Or you can type zoom and enter and then E and enter. Then the limits, all the limits will be displayed. So it will be easier for you to rotate the center mouse button to zoom in and zoom out, as well as press and hold the center mouse button and move. Okay. Now I am going to explode the rectangle. Rectangle was a single object. I have typed explode and select object. I have selected the rectangle. Now what happened? Rectangle has changed to 4 different lines. I have done this because on the left side I need 2 cm margin and on the other side I need 1 cm margin. Okay, in order to give the margin I am going to use offset. Type offset in the area, command area and enter. Then through what distance? I need 20 as the or 2 centimeters or 20 mm. So I am going to type 20 and enter. Then click the object to offset and click the side to offset. So you need to click twice. Now I need all the other margins as 1 centimeter. So what I am going to do is I just click escape and again type offset and enter. Now in the place of through I typed 10 and enter. Then click the line to offset and side to offset. Again click the line to offset and side to offset. Then third I click the line to offset and side to offset. So the margins are created. Whenever you want to zoom in and zoom out, use the center mouse button. Okay. So the margins are created, but there are unwanted lines at the corners. To remove that, I am going to use trim. So you just type trim and enter, then again type enter once again to decide the cutting edges. So we are making all the lines as cutting edges. So trim, enter, then again enter, decide the cutting edges. After that you click on the unwanted lines. By zooming in and zooming out, you can comfortably select the unwanted lines. Okay. So to zoom in and zoom out, use center mouse button, and to pan, you click on the center mouse button and move the mouse. So I have removed all the unwanted corner lines. Okay, so that is all about creating a rectangle of size A2 size paper and creating the margins. If you want to see all the drawings that you have drawn, type Z enter and A enter. So all the drawings that you have drawn will be displayed. Okay, so that is all about creating the paper and the margins.